guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I thought we would do today is I placed a very small Amazon haul. I love Amazon. I'm not getting paid any commission for this or anything. I just found some things that I thought would make great gifts, be it Mother's Day, Valentine's, for your home, or just for yourself. So I picked this up for me. Okay, so you have to be good to yourself. Okay. So let me show you the items that I found. I really do love these. Okay, the first one is this pitcher. It is a Divine 10-inch large white ceramic pitcher, and it's for decorative use only. And it has these little pads on the bottom so it won't scuff anything up. I love the French country look that it has. I'm going to be doing a DIY with it a little bit later on, but I thought you could even get these. I have seen them, they're plain at Walmart and they're $12, but this one was $24.99, and I have Amazon Prime, so it was free shipping. But I love that. You can see it's 10 inches, but it is just so pretty. I love all that detail, okay? Like I said, that would make a great gift or for your home decor or anything like that. And it's definitely French country. And it would fit in Tuscan or farmhouse, okay? Then the next thing that I picked up, always, like when I make our shakes, I put saran wrap over the top, or leftovers, I'll put saran wrap. And we're using so much saran wrap, and it's sort of wasteful. So I found these silicone stretch lids here, and you get, let me see, a 6-pack, and they're in different sizes, and they were $9.99, and you can just reuse them. I have the smaller size, and then the next size up. They're just so convenient. You can stretch them, put them over your little bowls or glasses, and they just keep going up. And for $9.99, and we can reuse these, this I don't think you can beat. And like I said, you get all these various sizes, so I think that is a win in itself. I've got one more to show you after this, and then you can see they stretch. And then this is the largest one, and I cannot wait to start using these. So there you go, a 6-pack of silicone lids. If you know someone that that cooks a lot, or if you just, like us, I'm trying to cut down on waste and save money at the same time. Okay, now this next thing I got a pair for me and my husband. They are Ray-Ban dupe sunglasses. They're not Ray-Ban sunglasses. They're way too expensive, and I would never pay that much for a pair of sunglasses, which I might accidentally destroy. But it's called the Wear Me Pro Reflective Lens, and it comes in this nice little sturdy case. It unzips, and then you get the glasses. You could pick the colors that you wanted, and it comes with a cleaning cloth. And these were $14.99 a piece. I just think they are just so adorable. Look at that. Does that just not say, oh, I'm cool? Anyway, in my mind, I love them. And they have the UV protection, and they're very light. That's one thing that I really like about these. You can't tell that you even have them on. Now, if you're, like I said, if you're looking for a dupe for the Ray-Ban, here these are. And like I said, you could pick your own color. So I got 2 sets of those, and I like it because it comes in this little pouch that zips up. It's hard, so it's going to be safe, okay? So I picked up 2 of those. Then I'm wearing one of them. I got a 3-piece pearl headband, and I just love this. It just elevates an outfit, I think, where it be a sweater or different kinds of shirts. And these are just so adorable. And you could choose your color. I got this kind of, it's a blue, but it's a grayish blue. And then it came with this, I think it looks more light brown, but they say dusty mauve. And then this one is just like the beige. I think they're gorgeous. They're so fun. They elevate your hairstyle. They can give you a different look. I could wear it with my hair down or with it up like I have it. And they're very comfortable. It doesn't slip off. It doesn't slide. It grips really well. I'll show you the inside construction. And it's just so cute. You know, these are for women or girls. Like I said, I'm going to be wearing them and loving them, okay? And then, while I was on there, I thought, well, I might not always want to wear, because these are kind of like a velour almost. They're really soft, and I thought, well, maybe like if I just have a t-shirt on, I don't want to wear that with a t-shirt. I mean, you could, but when it gets summer, I'm going to want to wear something different. So I found these Duffin 6-piece headbands with the same top knot, and you got all 6 of these for $11.99. Now the pearl headbands, I don't know if I told you, were $12.99. But I love these. You get all 6 for $11.99. And here is this one. I just think they're so cute. They have that slight little knot there. It just looks like those bandanas that you can wear. Need to cut some strings off that one. And then this one is this color. They have so many cute little headbands on Amazon, and I love this one. I can just see this with like a big jean shirt or a jean jacket or just a t-shirt. I think that would be so cute. Same for this, and I love that little top knot detailing. I think it's so feminine and so girly, and that's what I love. And then this one, I just think they're precious. And then this one is a darker, almost like dark navy or black. I can't tell which, but I love them. Then the last thing I picked up is I have seen these bracelets out, you know, that look like this. Let me take it off. That look like this, and they're really kind of pricey, and I didn't want to spend like $60 or whatever for a bracelet. I mean, you could if you wanted, and I do have some really nice jewelry, but I didn't want to invest that in this. So I saw, this is a Love Soul, and this one is a love between a mother and a daughter, and it was $7.98, and it is stainless, so it will not tarnish. Try to get in real close. This just says family where life begins and love never ends. I think that is so precious. And then this right here has the tree, like your family tree, and then this just says love. But it's really good quality, and I love wearing this. I mean, it totally, you would never know that I only paid $7.98 for this. Now, I will tell you on Amazon, I have my eye on something that I started to order when I placed this order. Their prices will fluctuate. So I think I originally paid $9 for this, but it's now $7.98. And I'm going to go back and get another one because I think that would be so pretty to layer. But I just think it totally elevates your outfit. And I love little dangly charms anyway. So this is everything that I found on Amazon. They have a world of things on there. Like I said, I think I'm going to go place another order because what I was looking at is already $5 cheaper than it was. And I definitely want to pick up another one of these little bracelets because I think they're adorable. So I'll see you on Wednesday for my planner, and then Friday for a Dollar Tree DIY I'm really excited about. I think you'll really like it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.